No, I can't see him.
Oh, yeah.
That's like his fucking legs.
You can still hear him.
What is Jersey for? Oh, yeah. T-shirt.
Oh yeah, champagne, yeah.
Oh, that would hurt. I got the witch doctor. One in love with you.
Is he always like this?
Yeah. It's worse when you're around.
I
think he likes you or something.
Great. That's all I need.
A midget that likes you?
I
That likes you.
You've been keeping love for me. That's not very smart.
It's my mom.
I'll put it on YouTube.
Oh, yeah. You guys like, what's that movie called? The Alvin and Chipmunks?
No.
I love that song.
I bet you do.
Queer.
Only you'd watch Alvin and the Chipmunks.
What?
I said only you would watch Alvin and the Chipmunks.
On a regular basis.
Chipmunks?
Yeah, 8-year-olds who watch the Disney Channel still.
Dude, I love the Disney Channel.
Oh my god. That explains everything.
I watch Hannah Montana daily.
She's ugly.
I actually believe it.
Oh my, Megan's jealous.
She's got funny teeth, I'm sorry.
What?
She's got funny teeth, I'm sorry.
She kind of looks like a chipmunk.
No.
It's curly white. Just a little crooked.
She kind of looks like a chipmunk.
No, it's her bottom teeth that are crooked.
Those are fun teeth.
You've been keeping love.
It's going to be the longest video ever on my phone.
What? No, this isn't going on YouTube.
You think I'm dead?
Yeah. You're singing. It's funny.
All the time.
You done yet?
What?
You done yet?
How's it going? What are we looking at?
Like, I hate you. No.
I'm going to measure it from the asphalt.
Another inch and all of that.
You go, girl.
It bugs me that your lights don't look the same.
Yeah?
It's really irritating.
Yeah.
Then go buy me another KC light.
Oh my god.
What was that face?
I know.
Supposed to put crappy lights in the front.
You know supposed to
Because they get broken.
Yeah.
The rocks.
People like Kyle decide to lift the truck and then with rocks out. Yeah, I know.
But people like Kyle, what are you talking about? My truck's not lifted.
No, I'm just saying that people like you who lift their truck decide. Yeah, do they?
You just lifted your truck. How is it people like me?
You know what I'm trying to say, okay? People like you who decide that.
People like me.
Yeah, like you.
Is that like a discriminatory?
His truck and not put any mud flaps on.
He didn't lift his truck.
It's lifted.
That's stock.
It's not.
It's bigger tires and a leveled out in the front.
Unbelievable.
I'll get inside your face. Get out of my face!
I want to go fishing, dude. We gotta ask Breeze if he wants to go fishing sometime.
He's not right next to this girl.
No. We had this conversation in the plant yesterday.
He's got a pontoon boat. Where's Quint? Quint?
Yeah.
Did he ever text you?
No.
Dude, my water.
We went to his new Goodwill. He went to a new store. McKellips and Maine.
How have you seen Quint? I haven't seen Quint for like a year and a half.
McKellips and Center.
What?
Yeah, she's seen him twice. McKellips and Center.
Oh, crap.
We went to his
Those
work.
TV radios. Did you get them?
No.
That's dirty bad man.
But we went and talked to him, and we went inside the store, and as we were walking out, I turned on the water spigot out front, I was sticking out of the wall. I just turned on and walked away.